Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Jinilo nono wakwezonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanya, I don't make it alone. I'm ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakon, aka the photo cosmetic surgeon, and this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. So shout out to Celesita. Come on, let's right, give it up for her. So Celesita sent in her name for this Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. I asked her to describe some reoccurring themes in her life, and she said that one of them was travel. Her family's always, hopping on planes and going places and traveling together and coming together and things like that, right? So I thought about a good name to be fitting for her, and I thought up of the perfect one. Ijoma. Come on, say it with me. Ijoma. Good. All right, so I'm gonna give you what you've been waiting for, the translation, right? So the translation, Ije, that first part, Ije means like to walk, or it could also mean like a long journey or travel. It means a few different things, but it basically means anything from just walking, like taking a few steps to walk, or it can mean a long journey. So that's Ije. And Oma means anything good, positive, beautiful, something wanted, you know what I'm saying? So you put those two together and you get Ijoma, safe journey, or good trip, good journey, right? So Ijoma it could also be something that someone says to you right before they bid you farewell. Like you're saying, I hope you have a good trip, I hope you have a safe journey, things like that. But basically, Ijoma was a fitting name for her because we always wish her well in her travels, and she said that traveling was a recurring theme in her life. Ijoma. So Ijoma's names give them the power to be adventurous, worldly, and free spirits. Share this video with all the Ijomas that you know. Thanks. So what do you think? Is that a fitting name for her? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to hearing what you have to say. Like this video, and like I said, share with all your friends. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also hit the bell button so that you can know whenever I post a new video. Hit my Instagram DM in the description and let me know what you think about this Igbo Name of the Day series. If you don't have an Igbo name, don't worry, I'll gift you one. And if you are Igbo, let me know too, and I will feature your name on the next Igbo Name of the Day.